Welcome back to another exciting Primary 6 English lesson from ExamPadi. Today, we're going to be learning about adverbs. Here are the objectives for today's class. Number 1, learn what adverbs are. Number 2, examine the different types of adverbs. Number 3, identify adverbs in sentences. And number 4, use adverbs to enrich in our writing. Without realizing it, we use adverbs all the time in various circumstances. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, adjective, or even another adverb in a sentence. Adverbs tell and modify many things in sentences and answer questions such as how, when, where, and how often. Adverbs are broken down into various categories. Here are a few of these categories. There are 6 main types of adverbs, which are adverbs of time, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, and last but not least, adverbs of conjunction. In terms of adverbs of time, common examples include now, soon, today, tomorrow, yesterday, recently, next month, last year, and so on. Adverbs of time show and demonstrate when an action takes place. Here are some sentences which use adverbs of time. Number 1. Recently, I traveled to Cape Town with my friends for holiday. In this sentence, recently is the adverb of time. Number 2. Mary leaves for Canada tomorrow with Chris. In this sentence, tomorrow is the adverb of time. Number 3. Next month, we'll be celebrating Dad's birthday. Next month is the adverb of time in this sentence. Common examples of adverbs of manner include slowly, quickly, promptly, gradually, beautifully, happily, greedy, well, fast, and so on. Adverbs of manner tell and describe how something is done. Some adverbs of manner end with ly, but it doesn't apply to all. Here are sentences which use adverbs of manner. Number 1. Gradually, the school's population grew. Number 2. Zoe and Zora ate the pasta greedily. Number 3. They performed well at the recital, although they didn't have much practice. Adverbs of place show where an action is taking place. Common examples of adverbs of place include somewhere, here, there, anywhere, and nowhere. Number 1. Leave the ice cream here. Number 2. I can't find my engagement ring anywhere. Number 3. They claim they've gone for an adventure in the middle of nowhere. An adverb of degree shows how intense a quality or an action is. They show how much and to what degree in sentences. Examples include very, quite, extremely, enough, almost, to, and so on. The children performed quite well. Mr. Richard's family was quite rude. Our food is too cold. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often things happen. Examples of this include annually, monthly, biannually, weekly, frequently, constantly, and sometimes. Here are sentences which use adverbs of frequency. Number 1. The student representative council meetings will take place monthly. Number 2. We have a carnival at the town fair which takes place annually. Number 3. Sometimes the principal takes part in our fundraising. Adverbs of conjunctions, also known as conjunctive adverbs, are slightly different from all other adverbs. They act like a conjunction to link 2 different sentences or clauses together. Examples of this include however, moreover, nevertheless, finally, otherwise, meanwhile, likewise, therefore, in addition, and many more. Number 1. Lauren is older, However, Madeline acts more mature. Number 2, Richard is sick, therefore we have to reschedule the business meeting. Number 3, in addition to the new developments coming up next month, there will also be a fundraiser for the school. As you can see, adverbs are very versatile and we use them in so many parts of life. Here is a task for you to do. Form sentences with the following adverbs and identify the types of adverbs. Thank you for learning about adverbs with me. See you in our next lesson. Bye.